Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, Sandy Driven by Nature. This is part 2 of Hyderabad to Chikmagalur. If you haven't seen the part 1, link is in the description. Go please check it out. And I hope you guys love this video. Come on, let's rock together. Here we go guys, finally we are on the road surrounded by pretty greenery. We as in I met a solo traveler at my stay place. Even he came alone, so he saw me coming out of my stay place and asked whether he can join for that day. I thought for a minute and said yes later on. So we are exploring a couple of beautiful places today. And before we explore those places, we need to do some shopping which are necessary for that places. So stay tuned. This is all the checkpost you meant, right? Yeah, yeah. As you guys can see, we are buying salt, and I will tell you later on why we are doing that. Before that, let's say hi to a cute little puppy. And the reason why we bought salt is whenever we are going into waterfalls, especially in monsoon, we need to carry either salt or Dettol because waterfalls are basically located in the forest, right? So when we walk through the forest, leeches will be everywhere. I mean, bloodsuckers. If they get on you, they won't leave you until you put salt or Dettol. So you better carry salt or Dettol. I think you guys heard me screaming, right? So that's the beauty of the place, man. I can't help it. And we stopped at a place to record this fog. That's a pretty good transformation from bike to jeep, right? Because it's a private waterfall and we are not allowed to take our own vehicles. They will provide us a jeep and they will charge you 700 rupees, and it's worth it. You can see it. The wait is over. Finally, we are here. I think you guys can hear it, right? Sandy, driven by nature, presents you The mesmerizing waterfall. Enjoy. Oh, ho, ho, it's scary as fuck. We spent some quality time over there. We enjoyed it like anything. You can see it, right? If I knew English much better, I would have explained it. But it's pretty, man. It's pretty. Now we are going to the highest peak. Stay tuned. Don't miss out. We are about to stop at a place and you will be blown away by seeing that. Wait and watch. Now we are going to the world's highest peak. I'm kidding, it's Karnataka's highest peak and it's scary as hell. That's for the day. We covered all the gorgeous places which we could, and we are returning to our stay place to have some tea in this cool weather. And we found some cute, pretty little kittens in our kitchen. Let's call it a wrap. That's the end of the video. And thank you guys for watching it. And if you like it, you know what to do. Hit the like button and mention in the comments what did you like about it. And if you didn't like it, please do the same. And thank you to my old subscribers. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I will thank you in the next video. And you can expect more breathtaking views, mesmerizing sunsets, beautiful waterfalls, and pretty nature and whatnot. We will fly in the air and capture everything we could. But less talking because I don't want to talk while I'm showing this pretty nature. See you in the next video. This is Sandy signing off. Enjoy every single day.